A true, honest DinerTRIBE review. Let's see if the Lakeland meat mincer and sausage maker is worth the purchase. First, let me say welcome to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Lakeland meat mincer and sausage maker. So today I am going to mince some beef, which should provide you with a good enough idea on if 1, it's worth the money, and 2, worth the purchase. So let's see what's in the box. So we have a container, the meat pusher, a sausage nozzle, the base has a suction cup, and just to make cleaning a pain, it's not dishwasher safe. But don't worry, later in the review we will see how easy it is to really clean. How about the price? I paid £26.99 for it from Lakeland, which I bought as I thought was a good brand. The only problem is, later I found out that it's a generic mincer, which has the Lakeland brand slapped on the side of it. Naughty naughty Lakeland. If you search on Google, you can find the same mincer under many different brands. For example, No Pro Meat Grinder, which sells for £24.37 on Amazon, and B&Q sells the same one for £23.95. You can even get the same mincer on AliExpress. The good thing is Lakeland do provide a 3-year warranty, so that is a bonus. So let's put it together. So straight away the first problem that comes across is the suction cup. You can't use it on anything except the bench, otherwise it will not stick. So we have the base. You need to clip the top of it to the base and lock it into position, which is an issue if you don't have the strength. Next is the mincer, which has a small plastic bearing at the end, which just pushes on to the mincer and then pushes into the side. Then you have the handle, which just simply pushes into the end and screws clockwise. Place the blade in with the flat end towards the handle. And next is the mincing plate. The box comes with 2 plates, a coarse and the one which is the one I'm using, which is the general mincing plate. As you can see, it is very awkward. And now the most stupid thing I have ever came across. The screw. To tighten the screw, it needs to be screwed anti-clockwise, and to unscrew clockwise. Talking about a product to break. Well done, Lakeland. Now that's finally put together, let's give it a try. I'm going to use some beef. The beef needs to be cut into small cubes, just like any meat you decide to use. The next issue I found was the handle. The handle needs to sit over the bench due to its length. And then there's this issue. With this product, you will find you will need 3 hands. One to push the meat down, another to turn the handle, and a third to keep the grinder from moving. If you manage to do all 3 without any issues, then the meat grinder will do the job. So as you can see, it does the job, but what about how much meat is wasted, which the grinder has not minced? Well, we will see when we dismantle it to be cleaned. So let the dismantling begin. Straight away I can honestly say it does not look good at all. Just look at how much meat is wasted. The problem here is the plastic grinder simply cannot push all the meat through, and with today's prices for the meat, it is such a waste. At least it comes apart easily. Let's see how easy it really is to clean. Like I said earlier, it is not dishwasher safe, so it will need to be cleaned with good old-fashioned soap and water. As long as you wash the grinder straight away, it is easy enough to wash. So to sum it up, is the Lakeland meat grinder and sausage maker worth buying? Well, that depends. If you are looking for a meat grinder to use once in a while with the bonus of the 3-year warranty, then yes, it is. But bear in mind that the warranty will not be honoured if you over tighten the screw with it being anti-clockwise. If you're looking for a meat grinder for everyday use, then we at DinerTRIBE recommend purchasing a more durable product. So there you have it. A true honest review by DinerTRIBE. So if you liked the review and would like to see more, then please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Till next time, thanks for watching DinerTRIBE.